So I'm making my first piece of my meals for my brother-in-law Billy, who just got home from the hospital. And so we're going to prepare some meals for him that are delicious and nutritious and going to help him to get back on his feet in no time. I'm starting with a nice healthy frittata. It is loaded here with veggies. I have those mini peppers that are so sweet. I have some shallot and some mushroom that have sauteed down in the skillet. And I'm just adding a little bit of salt and some pepper. I want to keep the flavors kind of simple. He doesn't like anything real spicy. I usually put chili flake in ours. I'm not going to do that for him. So simple spices. I've beaten 8 eggs really well. And this will make a nice sized frittata, as you can see. And then over the top, this is a shredded goat's milk cheddar. So just for a little bit of cheesy goodness, which I think frittatas call for. And then we're just going to put this in the oven until the top is set and it's golden and bubbly. Next on the menu are the keto pancakes. Billy's diabetic, so I want to make sure we give him healthy carbs. Pancakes are a real treat, so keto pancakes are what you need. I used a Birch Benders blend, and I just added some vanilla to make them a little tastier than they typically might be. And so here, I'm actually trying out my new Smithy's skillet. They come to you pre-seasoned, and because I want a nice crispy edge but a fluffy center on my pancakes, I'm going to use coconut oil. I do use my griddle frequently, but making pancakes in an iron skillet gives them such a fabulous texture. And I'm just going to be very loose with the measurement of each size pancake. I can hear them sizzling already. These are about ready to flip. A little dark, but still nice and golden. That one got a little wonky. There's always a sacrificial pancake. That one can be mine. I loaded up my garage fridge. Pay no attention to the panettone, that is mine, but there's some overnight oats. There's some healthy snack bins with some fruits, veggies, and homemade ranch. There's lots of turkey meatballs with spaghetti. Billy said he really liked spaghetti and meatballs. Enchiladas with sweet potatoes, and then these chicken sausage, Brussels and apple, really delicious, and huli huli chicken. The recipes are on taylorkitchen.net.